Hi, my name is Jeff. I'll show you amazing construction machines. Here comes the first vehicle. This is an articulated hauler. Wipers. It is a mobile crane. This is a boom. Extend the outriggers to raise it. This is a boom. Extend the outriggers to raise it. This is a wheel loader. Headlamps. Door opened. Engine. This is a road roller. Drum. Door opened. Drum. It's a bulldozer. Engine. Exhaust pipe. Blade lowered. Engine. It is a concrete mixer truck. Revolving drum. Revolving drum. Headlamps. Wheel. Tap me to hear more about it. Open box bed is raised. Wheel. Tap me to hear more about it. An articulated hauler is a type of dump truck used to transport loads over rough terrain. This is a tracked excavator. Backhoe. Backhoe. Tracks. Backhoe. This is a grader. Door opened. Wipers. Blade. Blade. This is a haul truck. Wipers. Wipers. It's a compactor. Tamping wheel. Tamping wheel. Headlamps. Headlamps. Tamping wheel. Engine. Tamping wheel.